There are really 5 key steps to getting your real estate license in Florida. And most individuals and most videos on YouTube only share a few of them with you. So I want to take the time to explain all 5 of these successful steps to you and walk you through step by step. Now, if you'd like to request the information from this video, down in the description, I have a link that you can request a step-by-step guide to getting your real estate license in Florida. Let's get started. So the 5 steps to becoming a real estate agent are the real estate course, the exams, your state registration, brokerage, and business training. Let's talk about each one of these. You see, right now is a great time to get into real estate. The industry is shifting, and this creates all types of opportunities. In times of change, new agents who start with the right training and mindset gain traction faster than those that are stuck in the old ways. You're not behind, you're entering at the perfect time of the market because there are new rules for success. The other reason people are getting in is because of the freedom, the flexibility, and the financial reward. With flexible hours, unlimited income potential, and the ability to be your own boss, real estate is quickly becoming one of the top business career choices for people looking to take control of their future, especially in the current job market. And training, tools, and coaching have never been better at certain companies. You no longer have to figure it out alone. With step-by-step online licensing, modern tools, and access to world-class coaching, your path to becoming a successful agent is clearer than it's ever been before. So, the real estate course in Florida is a 63-hour course, and online courses are approved. In the comments down below in the description, I have links to approved real estate schools in Florida. The key to these real estate classes is that they're going to teach you the legal basis for you to be able to protect the public. The course ensures that you understand real estate laws, contracts, ethics, so you can operate legally and responsibly. They prepare you to pass the licensing exam. That's the primary goal of the course, is to help you memorize the materials, helping you get your license. It is not going to teach you how to build a real estate business. It's your entry ticket, not your success plan to real estate. You see, completing the course gets you in the door, but what you do after licensing determines whether or not you thrive or just survive in real estate. Step 2 is the exams. And I place this step 2, although you might do some of the requirements in the state applications before you actually take the exams. You need to understand that there are 2 exams that you're going to need to go through. One for the end of the course, and a second that's an independent national/state exam. So the key to this is to get the sample test questions. When you register for your real estate class, make sure that you select a package that includes an exam prep module or a prep agent system. And again, the schools that we list down in the description both have these types of setups. Now, the state requirements, the state requires you to make an application. In the state of Florida, it's with DBPR, and you're required to do fingerprinting for them to be able to do a background check. Now, we can connect you with the local office in the area. If you request the free step-by-step guide, we can connect you with a local office, and the local office who's done plenty of applications will be able to help you through step by step to get your application and your background check. Let's talk about brokerages and the difference between different real estate companies. You see, training isn't legally required, just a license is. Brokerages aren't obligated to teach you how to generate leads or how to close deals. And most brokerages are focused on compliance, not on real estate success. They make sure that you follow the rules, but they don't show you how to build a business. You're expected to figure it out on your own or sink. And without structured training or coaching, many agents get lost before they ever get going. You see, are you looking to become a real estate agent, or are you looking to actually be a business owner? The typical real estate company has no training or mentorship. Agents are left to figure it out on their own, searching on YouTube or PDFs. And there's a lack of community or culture. There's very little collaboration, very little support. And if there is some, it's isolated to a virtual inbox or an online cloud. Be careful of the brokerages. They'll sell you the splits, but not success. You see, low fees or low splits sound great until you realize that there's zero help or value provided back to you to help you grow your business. You see, you need to learn how to build a business, not just close deals. And the right company will teach you how to think like a business owner from day one so that you can create consistent income, not just chase commissions. There will also be a culture of collaboration. You'll be able to join a team of top agents who will help you succeed, not compete against you. And you'll be plugging into proven systems, models, and coaching. Success leaves clues, and you follow a step-by-step playbook instead of just winging it. Now, you can tell a lot about a person by the company they keep, and the business you're with matters. And the reason I'm with Keller Williams is it's the #1 real estate franchise in the United States. This is with T360 Real Estate Almanac of 2025. Registers Keller Williams as the #1 real estate franchise. Also ranked #1 largest real estate franchise by the number of transaction sides. We're not chasing deals. It actually is a proven system and model that you can benefit from by learning how to get your unfair share of the marketplace. You see, training with a real estate company is going to be key, especially the new agent training. And if you look on this channel and subscribe to this channel, you'll see the Ignite New Agent Training Program. We also provide hands-on experience, a support structure, and the ability to role play and real play in an office environment, not just in the cloud. Also, coaching is very, very vital, showing you the skills, the growth mindset that you need to have in today's marketplace, marketing, especially on social media, how to develop relationships versus just having transactions, and a level of accountability. So the video description provides you with the link that you can request your step-by-step guide that walks you through selecting a real estate school and then associating with a real estate brokerage that allows you to build a real estate business to survive and thrive in today's marketplace.